What's up, dentcoin holder? Congratulations to 9.46% the price is increased in last 3 days, my friend. Definitely all cryptocurrencies will starting moving upward. The crypto market is comfortable. So therefore, my friend, I have a good news is for all of you now, my friend. And today we will predicate this coin. We will do a technical analysis, and at the last, I will share my opinion to sell, hold, or buy. Let's start the brand video. Please, if you are new to my channel, subscribe this channel. If you want to earn money from crypto, click the red button and subscribe channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. And this time, my friend, you can see here the price is hour by hour, minute by minute increasing. So that's a really good news. If we check out the last 7 days result, so in last 7 days also, my friend, 14.46% they will get a profit. Dent coin is completely on the trending, and definitely, my friend, when a holder are starting holding, when a holder are starting investing, so the price will be also must increasing, my brother. In last 7 days, if the price will get 14% profit, so definitely in upcoming days, my friend, also this coin will get a profit. Remember to the start of month, every coin were fails down, but Dent coin and the start of month starting moving upwards. So there's the main reason, my friend, was that to and last 7 days of September the price will fails down. So therefore, my friend, when a coin were fails down, so after a dump every coin will pumps up. So therefore, after this huge dump they will pumps up. Congratulations, my Dent coin holder. I hope, my friend, in upcoming days they will get a more profit. But if you are hold, so kindly holders hold now. I hope they will give you a profit. See you next time. Please like video and also subscribe channel.